Hi, I'm Jonathan Tansey from ASB.
And I'm Bridgette Fussman from KBEV. This is the week of May 14th.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
This year's yearbook distribution for pre-orders will begin during lunch this Friday, May 18th, and will continue after school. On Monday, May 21st, distribution will take place both at lunch and after school. If you didn't pre-order, you can purchase one of the 34 available books at the student store. So make sure to bring $150 in cash.
Student parking permit applications for the 2018-2019 school year are out now. You can pick up an application in House A and B. Current juniors are able to turn in their application to House A and B now, whereas all other students can turn in applications on Wednesday, May 16th. Be sure to include a copy of your driver's license with your application. Grab an application soon because parking spaces are limited.
Come to the College Center, room 290, at lunch on May 16th for this week's Wednesday workshop with special guest and successful entrepreneur, Jessica Iglesoy, founder and CEO of organic baby skincare line California Baby. Come out to check her story on Wednesday at lunch.
Tonight, there will be a college case study from 5:30 to 8:15 in the Salter Theater. Students and parents are welcome to come learn from admissions counselors about the college admission process. 22 university representatives will be attending. All grades are welcome, so be sure to take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Make sure to RSVP at the link below.
This is the final week of AP tests. If you have a morning test, make sure to arrive before 7:30 a.m. at your testing room. If you have an afternoon test, make sure to arrive before 12:15 p.m. You can find the room assignments on the door of the College Center. Good luck. Thank you for watching the Norman Update. Remember that Thursday is an early release day. I'm Bridgette Fussman.
And I'm Jonathan Tansey. We will see you next week.